How to add cart notes to Shopify Checkout. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a cart checkout or a note to the cart checkout into your Shopify store. We're going to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account. We have the admin dashboard. Click on online store and then we are going to head over the themes. From here, we are going to click on customize and wait for the Shopify store editor to show up just like that. Now we are going basically here to head over the left side of the screen, click on theme settings, and from here we are going to search for the cart. So basically we are going to click on cart, and then we are going to have here the cart note. Click on cart note and we are going to activate it. Now we are going basically here to check it out by clicking on the cart, and normally we are going to have it from there. Now, how we can make sure that it is going to be right there, I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to do a fake transaction, or not a fake transaction, but basically I'm going to have my, let's say, product page, and we're going to add something to our cart. So this is a product page. So I'm going to have here a home page right here. So we are going to select this product real quick. We are going to add it to the cart. Click on add to cart, just like that, and we are going to view the cart. So once we have did that, we are going to head over here, click on cart. We're going to see our cart. Now this is the order special instruction, or the order or the cart note. So we are going to find them here. I'm going to redo the process real quick. Here we have the cart. Here we have the cart note. Deactivate it. Boom, it is gone. Activate it and it is here. Now the specification from this specific, as you can see here, option is to have some special instruction to the vendor. So for example, if we're going to have this product, maybe here customized, you can go ahead and put a note and say that I want this order customized to something like, I don't know here, print on demand, or you have maybe let's say here some engagement within another store, or with your work, and you're not going to be available within the time of the shipping. This is going to be a suggestion. So you're going basically here to give a cause for the vendor to maybe put a little bit of a delay into the shipping of the product, or set up a let's say here a specific date that you're going to ship it to them. So these are going to be some of the cases that you're going to, or the clients are going to use the order special instructions, because it is going to be very crucial to know your customers and also to get to their expectations, and also to have their let's say here suggestions maybe considered, or their demands checked out and also fulfilled. So it is going to be a very good plus for your store, and all the customers are going to be satisfied with the placement of this special instruction note. So this is going to be the editor mode. Now I'm going to view my store in the raw version. So I'm going to get take a look to it. So let's say that we're going to be a client. I'm going to start from scratch. I'm going to ignore all of these. Here we go. I'm going to select a product. We're going to work normal. Click on add to cart. Let's view the checkout. Not the checkout, but the cart. We are going to head over the cart. So it is going to be available in here. Boom. I can go ahead and type in my instructions in here, and it is going to be available into the order section. For you as a vendor, you are going to find it onto your orders. And from the orders, you're going to find a section specific for the cart note. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.